Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that can enhance the balance in your bedroom, contributing to a more successful and fulfilling life. Key elements include having a solid headboard, a supportive mattress, and ensuring your bed is appropriately elevated and positioned away from the door, ideally diagonally across from it. This setup not only promotes restful sleep, but also gives you a sense of control. Additionally, maintain balance with nightstands on either side of the bed. Avoid distractions like TVs and desks, and steer clear of mirrors facing the bed, as they can disrupt sleep and create negative energy. Lastly, refrain from placing water features or plants in the bedroom, as they can generate excess energy that interferes with rest. By incorporating these feng shui principles, you can create a harmonious and nurturing environment in your bedroom.